Namaste. Thank you, Yoga School Institute, for giving the opportunity to create. I am Ariel. It is my pleasure to be on your screen. I am here to give you something little. If I am lucky enough to be chosen, I can give you even more. I am the voice and face, but who I am is a matter of the imprint my actions have on everything. I cannot list out who I am, but can give you some insight. When I was in a course on psychology, the professor asked us what we would prefer, to be a millionaire or to win the Nobel Peace Prize. Of the entire 35-person class, there was one person who chose the Nobel Peace Prize. After explaining my views, half the class had changed their positions. Yoga is a journey to opening and to building yourself, to find the unity which is universal. I want to offer that benefit to everyone I can. The environmental love that the Mystic Yoga Farm of Guatemala has is beautiful, and I can promise to make my acceptance into the scholarship for the yoga teacher training a benefit to everyone I meet. Please help me by spreading this video and clicking the heart.
Namaste.